How's everyone doing today? Outdoors adventures and survival here. Today, show y'all some tracks. Um, Something suspicious. We're gonna check that out. Hope I don't come across nothing bad. Um, 'Cause out here in the middle of nowhere, people dump things and other things. You never know if people are up to no good. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we're gonna check this out. I got my walking stick, or it's a hiking stick. Really, it's not a hiking stick. Well, yeah, it's a hiking stick, but these are for skiing. And if you see the end right here, see the end? Well, I went to a thrift store several years ago, and instead of going to get me a pair lock for a walking stick, or a hiking stick is what you call it, I just went ahead and it was like $18, no, $14. I had to buy the skis and all though. That's the lowest it would go, which was great. I needed skis right now, but because we don't have snow right here. But yeah, these are great for hiking, same as the others and everything else. But I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about over here. Let me get out. Let me get out. Okay. Now, like I said, I'm out here in the middle of nowhere, and you need to tell them what you might find. That's the reason why I'm like kind of hesitant in a way. Kind of hesitant in a way. So here's what I'm talking about. Let me flip y'all around. I can't see for the sun. Okay. All right. All right. If you notice, see that that's rabbit tobacco right there. Rabbit tobacco plant. Somebody has drove up in there. This has been not recently. It's probably been within 5 days. I'll just say that much. This is not fresh, but it's fresh enough to still show these indents and impressions here. Mighty good. But you see they had some rain up here where I'm at. We're gonna walk this way. And we're gonna see. I hope we don't come across nothing not. You never know. There's a mulon plant. Hold up, I just heard something slide sound like. Gotta watch out for snakes. This is why I like this here. Up here is eastern diamondback. It's about like a bear, you know. You gotta let them know your presence. The worstest thing is to walk up on one and step on him. That's when, or scare him. He's gonna bite you. There's also some marks right there, off that way. Those aren't animals. This right here is a vehicle. We're gonna go up in here. Somebody cut this. Somebody cut this. This is where they parked the vehicle at. Let's see. Hope we don't come across nothing bad. Yeah, they parked right here and they hid the vehicle. See my truck right yonder? They came through right here and they ended up flattening down all this stuff right here. And they also cut, You see where they cut something right here? They pulled the vehicle around right here. Pulled the vehicle around and they ended up pulling it way over here. Pulling it way up over here, hiding it. It could have been, I don't see nothing really suspicious. That's suspicious, you know. But now I don't, because it could be some hunter just want to hide his truck for some reason. I don't know why. But yeah, let's go up this way. And see what we can find. Like I said today, I want to show y'all some tracks. Not like this here. This is easy to identify, but in the first half here, in the beginning, it's a little different to identify it in a way. Somebody come up here, hunting and everything. Bow season's in, but rifle season isn't. It isn't in yet. So you never know. Could be poachers. My guess could be poachers. That's a big black walnut tree. Black walnut. Right there where they pulled up beside of. It's beautiful up here today. Let's go see what we can get into today. See what we can get into. Let's put this back here. I use my gun racks for fishing poles and everything else. I just put them on. Them come off my old mater. I call it old mater. Old mater. We're gonna go see what we can get into today. Come on. One thing good, I didn't find no bodies. I've been in outdoors about all my life, like I said. And when you're in like fire departments, rescue squad, fire rescue, search and rescue, where you're trying to find people, I'm gonna start talking up on these videos. If I'm talking too loud, just let me know. I'm gonna get my mic. I haven't got a mic yet, but I keep saying that in my other videos, but I haven't got one yet. But let's go up in here and see what we can get in today. That sound like a dirt bike. Yeah, that boy's he needs help. There y'all is. I'm back. Yeah, let me flip y'all around. Said that boy needs some help. He needs some help. Nah, I'm just excited I'm out here in the woods. I ain't in a city with nuts in it. You know, there ain't nobody out here but animals. Only thing I have to worry about is a bear, and I ain't worried about him. Give him room, he can give me room. You know what I'm saying? Check this duck out. Oh, junk. It ain't junk. Change that around. Flip her around. Right there is where that hid right there. So you can't see nothing because they'd be hid behind them bushes there. So that's odd. Yeah, odd if you ask me. But I know what they're doing. They're probably poaching. Hmm. They ended up driving out right there, coming out this way. Let's go up this way and see what we can find. We're gonna get into something today, ain't we? It won't be bad. At least it ain't illegal. That's the good thing. It's all good. Cause I'm ready. We found some wood, so I'm gonna get it. They cut it up out of this roadway. It was in the blocking the road, so they cut it up. See some about 3 foot lengths, but I'm gonna take and get those. Hello, I'm back. Yeah, that boy needs help. Told y'all he needs help. But yeah, found some wood back here. I burn the wood in my fireplace and in my wood heater, so it's always good when you get some wood. It's like around here and up in Pennsylvania, it's what, $300 a cord. It could be way over that. Some places. Yeah, let's go. Oh yeah, gotta say, last year I didn't pay not one dime for wood. Harvested my own wood, or if that's the way you put it. Uh, Cut my own wood, split it, and everything else, and I didn't have to buy none that way. So that's what I'm gonna start doing. Okay, let's go on up here and see what else we can get into today. Let's see. I'm back. Had to put it in 4-wheel drive. Got in a sticky situation there. You get in a sticky situation? No, not you. Person that stays in the woods all the time. You don't get in a sticky situation. Yeah, I put it in 4-wheel drive and got out. Well, it wasn't a problem getting out. Just glad I didn't have to winch myself out. Yeah, we're gonna go on up here and see what we can get into today. See if we see any tracks too, like animal tracks and stuff. I'll turn y'all around. There we go. Had a locker in 4-wheel drive. See it down there? 4-wheel drive. Hold on while I take it out. Okay, took it out of 4-wheel drive. Now we're good to go. Let's go up here and see what kind of tracks, animal tracks or whatever we can find today. See what we can get into. See other people's tracks. Where someone else went out right there. I went in right here. Turn right there. Plan on going the same way. Plan on going the same way. I stopped here for a break and I don't have my track. Okay, there we go. Stop here. Eat me something. And enjoy that view, young. Look at that. It's beautiful and quiet out here. I don't hear sirens and gunfire and all this other stuff out here. One thing wrong is little bugs. Another can right here. I mean, another can. a water bottle. Yeah, open me up some chicken noodle. I love chicken noodle. Yeah, let's go here. I'm gonna drop the tailgate. Top the tailgate now. Got my fishing poles because I'm waiting a little bit and I'm gonna go fishing too. Might catch something, I don't know. Might catch something. Hit a mud hole on the way here. Okay. Here's a Sasquatch. Check it out. Talking about my Sasquatch on the back window right now. Yeah, there we go. Sit up here. If I can get up here. Leave me out. It's a 6-inch lift on this joker. So it's still nice. That dove better watch out. Dove season was in. And right down here, right down that road right there, is where I saw them bear tracks one day in the past. I had my friend with me, so I wasn't worried about that, if you know what I mean. It's about my friend by my side, real close to my side, if you know what I'm saying. But yeah, went down there, and there's water crossing the road. You'll see if you go look at my longer videos, like this one, then you'll see where I showed a video. You have to go a good ways back. You'll see where I showed the bear tracks and all. I believe I even put a short up about it too. But yeah, we're back. Flip y'all around. Heard something that direction. But I'm going to take and eat me something. Some snacks or whatever and stuff. I'm going to eat later tonight. I don't like to eat too late. And I didn't bring nothing to like cook out. If I was going to camp out though, I'd have brought steaks and everything. You name it. I'd have brought it. That's a plane. I'd have brought steaks and everything if I could. I'd have been ready for it if I was going to camp out. I'm planning on doing it this year. We had, last night, we had 52 degrees. I am ready for this cool weather. I'm going to tell you, when you're out and about and it's like 98 degrees with the humidity, the real feel is like 105 to 104, sometimes 108. No, I'm ready for winter. Well, fall. Fall's my best time of the year. If it don't jump from fall to winter, but I'll take fall and winter any day. Fall and spring is my best. A lot of y'all might say the same thing. I like fall and spring. Certain parts of the winter. I got my hand over the. Yeah, I do. Got my hand over the front of the camera. Uh, Fall and spring. But yeah, gonna get into eating right here. And somebody might say, "Look at him back there. He's got a Sasquatch on his window, like he believes in them." Well, I've never seen one, so I can't say I believe in them. It's like a UFO. I don't believe in UFOs. All right. I've never seen UFOs. I've seen meteorites. Someone could say like that's crazy, but I've seen meteorites. One night, this has been. I'll tell y'all a quick story on this. I had come up here, or it was somewhere else. I was off roading one, and while I was up there, I was leaving home. It was late at night, going back home, and I turned on a back country road out in the country there. Like, yeah, well, that's the reason why it's called a country road. But anyhow, um, turn going out through there, all of a sudden it's pitch black. You couldn't even see it. Well, I had my headlights on now, but I'm talking if you cut your headlights off and got out, you couldn't see your hand in front. You couldn't even see your hand in front of your face. Well, by that time, I'm going along there, and the left side of my cab lit up, and I jumped because I thought it was the way it lit me up was almost like if a hunter with a spotlight at night or something, throw the spotlight on me right into the cab. I'm like, what in the world is this? So I looked, and over to my left, it was shooting across the sky. What it was a meteorite. It hit the atmosphere. It created that burst of light, and then it lit my cab up, and that's what freaked me out. And when that happened, then I'm like, let me speed up and see if I can get past these little branch of woods here or whatever. I can probably see where it lands or something. Well, I got so far and I could see it was shooting across the sky at an angle. It didn't come straight down like you see these flying stars and stuff. This was a meteorite. All right. All right. That sounds crazy. Meteorite. All right. But anyhow, it shot across the sky. Let me tell you, it was a beautiful sight. It wasn't beautiful at first because it scared the mess out of me. But I went, I went far down as I could, and I'm like, there ain't no need even looking because the chances are from usually when you see something like that there and it's shooting across the sky like that there at the angle, ocean is where it's gonna hit pretty well. It wasn't gonna hit land, not that one. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and eat my mess here, and then I'm gonna eat a snack or two or whatever. And then later I'm gonna go fishing. But yeah, well, jumping back to Sasquatch, we're talking about aliens turn over from Sasquatch to aliens to a meteorite. A Sasquatch, yeah, I mean, they could exist. They said that the hair fibers they have found is from a primate, which is a monkey. So yeah, a lot of y'all should know that. But so yeah, have I seen one? No. I've heard things now up here. I've heard knocking and stuff. I've seen odd tracks. Couldn't make it out that it was a Bigfoot or Sasquatch. I've never seen Sasquatch except like crossing the roads or in some bushes or he's looking at me or whatever around a tree or something. Never had that happen. But yeah, I see, like I said earlier, could have turned around right there. People littering. I hate that mess. Can't stand. But yeah, we're back. Right now, I want to say, I wish I had my phone in here. Let me check my phone. Need me a ladder to get up there. All right. And y'all ever hear that country song, Hillbilly Deluxe, Big Pickup Trucks? Uh, that's me. Okay. Okay. 77 and feels like 77. 77 and feels like 77. Okay. This morning it's showing 50, 52. Tonight's going to be 59. Tomorrow will be 80, 70% chance of rain. 80 degrees and 64 tomorrow night. Monday, 83 and 57. It's hard to say because it fluctuates and everything. It's all the time fluctuating and miss. I could look in an hour and it might show it's thunderstorms or something. Or whatever could happen. Yeah. Let me eat that there. I had to take my key out because that annoying. I don't know if I'm the only one. I hate them annoying buzzers. I mean, when you get out your phone, I mean, I said get out your phone. I was looking at them tracks yonder. Somebody went around that corner, slid sideways, probably tearing the mess up. But yeah, we're going to eat that. Boy, I'm going to tell you, it's nice up here. I'm excited about this. I'm excited. Them right there. These are persimmon trees. Small little persimmon trees. Too late in the year to dig one up and replant it. That needs to be in spring. Needs to be in springtime. See there the bottle I was talking about. People would want their lit. People love litter. I must say. But right down that road, right over there, is where I saw them bear tracks. Try out my light tonight. Try it out. Probably open these windows up here too. Today I didn't even. I run the AC somewhat coming here. But I'd rather roll the windows down. Fresh air, because it wasn't too hot. There we go. Put them out like that there. Here we go, Cousin Willie. Go right here. Put that one. Put that one over there out. I left one open. That's slow to turn around. I left one open one night there and I shut one and forgot the other one open. It downpoured. I didn't know it was going to downpour that night. Remarkable how it didn't rain inside. It was really remarkable. What you do here now, you reach in, you take and you push that outward. Like that right there. And then the window moves out. Like that. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do it. See how that button is right there? See it right there? Just push that out right there. And all of a sudden, a window appears sticking out like that there. Look at it. Kind of scary in a way. Ain't it? Almost scary. Yeah, that boy needs help, I'm telling you. He's nuttier than a Fruit Loop. Nuttier than a Fruit Loop. I crack myself up sometimes. Yeah. Right down here. Right down here is where I saw them bear tracks. She drank at the water just crossing the road. She drank there, came up, and then went across. Ended up going up through yonder. Somebody like said, he's a hillbilly. He just said yonder. Yeah, over yonder and over the hoo-ha. I'm country. That actually is, this dirt road right here that goes that way it's a mile that way. I don't use the other vehicle, the other truck I used to have to see about the measurements. I mean, how far it was and everything. I can come out here and walk to. That's a little small vehicle. I see. You can't tell by the camera. Little small tracks. And look at it getting stuck down there. Two-wheel drive they would have. Because it's really sandy near the bottom. It's really sandy and stuff. Okay. Well, I hate to waste this video. I'm going to go ahead with it. I was talking and the thing wasn't on. I'm going to show y'all something I had learned from, we don't know everything. Survivalists or anyone else don't know everything. We always learning from others. So right here, turn your, let me flip her around, is acorns. A lot of acorns. The deer and the antelope play. Not playing. These are fresh. Check that out. Fresh ones. See how fresh they are. See right there. Fresh. Slow as out in the walk. I had heard, like I said, from Appalachian fella up there in North Carolina mountains. He said if they fall, like they've been falling like lately, that means we're gonna have an early fall. If they fall, get it? Yeah, we'll have an early fall. See what the squirrels and stuff's been eating on it. Yeah, y'all like, subscribe if you want to. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll see y'all in the next video. Outdoors adventures and survival over and out.